Hi, I'm Bosworth and I'm the founder of Love Wellness, a women's wellness company that offers natural, safe, doctor-recommended products for personal care and total body care. I was inspired to start a women's wellness company because I felt like the personal care category in particular needed to be reinvented. All of those products are archaic, they're not really that great for your body, and I really wanted to bring a female-first voice to that category specifically. So that's what we're doing. We offer really body-positive, natural products for women. So for me, I am really interested in whole ingredients when it comes to my diet. I try to avoid processed foods, and my body can process gluten, so I do allow myself to have pasta from time to time. And for me, it's really about balance more than anything else. So I try to eat a really healthy breakfast and lunch, but at dinner, I might have some pasta or I might have some steak. It's about choosing nutrient-dense foods most of the time and then allowing yourself, a chocolate cookie every once in a while. I have two favorite cheat meals actually. The first is a steak frite, and then my second favorite cheat meal is a chicken schnitzel, so like a breaded, fried piece of chicken. Delicious, both delicious. My favorite healthy weeknight dinner is definitely a turkey meatball. So I love to make some easy red sauce on the side, just really quick out of a can. You chop up some tomatoes into a pan with some herbs, and then I love to make turkey meatballs and then just roast some vegetables, put a little arugula on top of everything. It's a great healthy meal that also feels really satisfying. When I have friends coming over, I like to impress. So I will make a roasted chicken, and with that roasted chicken, I also like to roast whole heads of garlic. So you just cut the heads off a little bit, and about halfway through the roasting of the chicken, you put the garlic into the juices in the pan, and it makes the garlic really soft and delicious. And then a little bit of creamed spinach on the side, some toast. It's a delicious and beautiful meal. So when I'm eating out, I always kind of make a decision ahead of time about the meal that I want to eat, which helps me either indulge if I want to or stay on track, stay healthy. So I also kind of make a decision whether I want to be drinking wine or a cocktail that night. And most of the time during my weekdays, I'm not drinking at all. So I won't even have a glass of wine with dinner. But if it's a Friday night or a Saturday, yeah, I'll have 2 glasses of wine with my meal. And I find that it's those extra things like the wine, the bread basket, the little appetizers. Those things add a ton of calories, fat, things like that to your meal that you could otherwise avoid. And so if you go in thinking, I'm not gonna eat those things, but you still allow yourself a delicious dinner, I think you'll be really happy. When it comes to self-care, for me and a lot of the women that I know, it's all about establishing a routine, something that you can get into, something that's easy for you to stick to. So one of the first things that I like to do every day is fill up a really big water bottle and take it with me to work. So drinking enough water, honestly you guys, it's like the lubricant for your whole body. It will make your skin glow, it will make your organs work. Everything's gonna work better if you're drinking enough water. The second thing that I like to do is to get my mind right. So I like to meditate every day or do some kind of breath work. I like to dedicate 15 to 20 minutes of my morning to that. And then the last thing that I think is really important that so many people overlook is getting enough sleep. Sleep is something that is so hard to come by, but if you're getting 7 to 8 hours, trust me, you are gonna feel better in every single aspect of your life. You're gonna be able to pay attention at work, you're gonna be able to get up for that exercise class, you're gonna be able to make dinner, you're gonna be able to do all the things that you want to do. For me, sleep is so critical. If I don't get enough hours, I just am not a high functioning person the next day. So we have put together an amazing sleepy time tea recipe for you guys. And I know you've heard of sleepy time tea before. Normally it's just chamomile, but this incorporates our Lights Out supplement, which is a natural and organic sleep aid with organic mint, lemon, and honey. So we put all those things together, guaranteed to get a great night's sleep. So here's how you make the Love Wellness Sleepy Time Tea. First, you're gonna wanna take your Lights Out supplement. So this supplement is amazing for sleep, but it's also really great for shutting your mind down at night. It has ingredients like magnesium, which is a natural muscle relaxer in it, and organic valerian root, which for me, I included valerian root into the supplement because my mind races right before I go to bed. So this helps me chill out, calm down, and get ready for a great night's sleep. And of course, there's a ton of melatonin in this, so your body knows it's dark outside, it's time to go to bed. So with our Love Wellness supplements, when we incorporate them into a tea or into a smoothie, we actually like to open them up and just mix them into whatever it is that we're making, because we found that a lot of people don't feel like they want to incorporate like the capsules into their digestive system. So this is just a great alternative way to add supplements into your routine. So I've put our capsules into our teacup. Next, I'm going to incorporate a little bit of fresh lemon into this, just to brighten up the flavor. And then just a couple little drizzles of honey in here. And you don't have to use the honey if you don't want to. It just sweetens it up just a touch. And then last, we're gonna put our fresh organic mint leaves just directly into our glass. And if you love mint tea, you will love mint tea using fresh herbs. It makes a world of difference. The taste is absolutely amazing. So we're gonna just pour our hot water into our teacup like so. Oh, it smells so good. I'm so excited. There we go. And then once you have your water, I would just recommend kind of mashing your mint leaves down into it just a little bit, just to get everything incorporated. And then I would let this steep for 2 to 3 minutes, and you're going to have the most amazing tea to bring with you into bed. It's our sleepy time tea, and trust me, lights out really works. So while we're waiting for our tea to steep, I'd love to tell you guys some of the ways that I kind of balance out my day. I work full time, and one of the things that I have incorporated into my routine lately is kind of disconnecting from my devices. I stop looking at my emails at about 7 p.m. and I put my phone away for the rest of the day after that. I enjoy the time I'm spending with my family, my friends, my boyfriend. Disconnecting is a huge part of my day that helps me feel like a human, makes me feel like I'm ready to go to bed in a couple hours, because if you turn off the connection to electricity in your body, you will feel better. You will be able to sleep easier. And then the other tip that I have for balance is I love to have a snack before bed, and I'm sure a lot of people do, but I try to make it a whole food snack. My favorite snack is to get a carton of organic or wild blueberries and just munch on those in bed while I'm watching my favorite show. And it's a great way to choose something healthy that's not going to irritate your digestive system right before you go to bed. So that's something that I also love to do. Okay, you guys, I think that our tea is ready. It smells so good. Fresh organic mint leaves, lights out from Love Wellness, some lemon, some honey. It is delicious, and I'm looking forward to having a great night's sleep, and I hope that you guys are too. So good. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, just like or subscribe below.